guys, it's your girl Shayna Renee. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for all the vibes. And let's get into today's video. Your girl has been traveling. We have all seen it. I know you guys see the vlogs. If you are new to my channel, make sure you guys check out all my travel vlogs and get an update on what your girl has been doing, because I have more trips planned and on the way, but I'm not prepared. And I say this because every time I travel, I always have one issue every time. And it's because I don't speak another language. Babbel is gonna help get me right. It is an amazing app that helps you learn a new language in just 3 weeks. So if you are interested in learning a new language, make sure you guys download this app, because I'm about to tell you guys all about it right now. I'm deciding to use the Babbel app because it's time for me to learn a new language, because like I said, I've been traveling. So I actually downloaded the app today and we're gonna go through it together, because I think I'm on my 3rd lesson. So let's see what they have in store for me on this lesson, so you guys can have an idea of what the app has to offer. They actually give you 10-minute sessions daily, and you can actually pick and choose how often you want to learn for the day. So mine particularly is for 5 minutes daily, but you could do it also up to 1 hour. But I chose 5 minutes because my schedules are pretty hectic, but your girl is still on track to learn in the next 3 weeks, okay? So for this lesson, I'm going to be doing the vowels, and let's see what comes up. Okay. O. Ooh. So I got a 14 out of 16 for this one, not too bad. But I'm just showing you guys how simple it is to learn a new language. I'm super excited for my journey with Babbel. If you guys want to try Babbel out, make sure you guys use my code that's going to be left on the screen for 65% off your purchase. Like, check out my description box for all information on Babbel. If you have a trip planned, if you just want to learn a new language just for a job purpose, Babbel is definitely the way to go. It's quick and it's super easy, and they get you right really fast. So I definitely suggest you guys take advantage of this opportunity to learn a new language just like me. Let's do it together, guys. I don't want to be the only one doing this, but let me tell you guys, stay tuned for my next upcoming vlogs, because I'm going to tell you right now, I'm going to be speaking Spanish. Hola, ¿cómo está? I'm going to be really feeling myself. If you guys feel like the app is not helping you, there's a 20-day money-back guarantee that you guys can also take advantage of. But trust me, you're not even going to need that, because it's super simple and it's fun. Babbel makes it an interactive experience for everybody. It's super easy. You just download the app and you do it on your own time. It's not even like a force. Whenever you feel like taking out your phone, instead of scrolling on some other app, get on Babbel, take one class, and you're done for the day. And it really helps with your pronunciation, because they actually give you real life conversations, not just the generic stuff that you will typically learn in a textbook. And that's one thing I love about the app so far. So I'm really excited for my new journey. I'm really happy to learn a new language, because I'm just gonna really be telling people, like, I speak 2 languages, okay, not 1. So I'm really excited, and I hope you guys enjoy the app. It's super easy, super simple, and Babbel has real life teachers that give you live classes on a daily basis. And like I told you, they have 10-minute trainings, and you can also pick your time as well. There's a ton of stuff on Babbel. So listen, if you guys want to learn a new language, I definitely suggest getting this app. So let me go study some more, and I'll be back with a new language on the way for y'all. So like I said, make sure you guys check out the description box, and let's enjoy today's video. So as you guys know, your girl is always on the run. So today I want to tell you guys all about my must-have items when traveling. So this is going to be a what's in my bag travel edition. I have my Christian Dior medium-sized book tote with me, and this is my holy grail when traveling. It fits so much stuff, and I have a ton of stuff in here to show you guys. And once again, this is going to be my traveling what's in my bag, and this is not typically everything I travel. This is just gonna be like carry-on personal item, what I bring on the plane style, you know? So let's get into this video. Okay, so first things first, if you are considering getting a Christian Dior book tote, run, don't walk, because this bag is amazing. It fits so much stuff. Like I said, I got the size medium because I like smaller bags, but this is typically a big bag for me. But let's get into the bag and let's see what's in the bag. So first things first, when I'm traveling, I always need a pair of sunglasses because when I'm on the plane, I don't want anybody to see my face. I don't want to look at anybody. I don't want to talk to anybody. I don't want to do any of that. So I have to have a good dark pair of glasses, and this has been my favorite pair so far. So I mean, recently, these are my Chanel shades. It has like the gold detailing on the side, super cute. So I definitely need this, of course, in my bag at all times because I'm here to fly, not to talk, okay? So next up, also super important, we have a mask. So recently, I know they changed the mandate and you don't need a mask to fly anymore. But personally, me, I don't even know what it's like to fly without a mask, and I don't even play like that. So I'll still be wearing my mask. Very important for my travel. Don't leave the house without it when I'm getting on a flight, especially a black one, much needed. Next, super important, I have my card case. I have a black Chanel card case. I really love this one. Super classic. It has everything I need for travel, my IDs, credit cards, debit cards, you name it. Insurance cards, it's in here. Now, depending on where I'm going, I might need a passport. So I have my handy dandy passport in here. It has a ton of stamps. I love that for me. And I have this simple card passport holder that I actually got sent to. I don't even remember the name of the company, but shout out to you guys. It's called JetTrav. They sent me this really cute card case that I keep my, not card case, passport holder that I keep my passport in. I love it so much. So shout outs to them. Of course, when I'm traveling, I have to have at least one of my vlog cameras. This one is my Canon GX7. I also use the Sony ZV-1, which I'm actually recording on right now. But I have to have my vlog camera with me to capture the moment, of course. Like, come on, what's a trip without the vlog? So I'm definitely always carrying this in my bag so I can get when the plane takes off, when it lands, all the content for you guys. So this is a much needed in my bag when traveling. Next up, my phone and my charger. This needs to be in my handheld carry-on. Not my checked-in bag, not my roller carry-on, my personal item for the plane. This is a must because my phone cannot die. I need my phone on the plane. I get Wi-Fi, I fly Delta. You get a charger, you get everything, so I need everything with me. So when I'm on the plane, I like to just be on Instagram or text my mom, my friends, just to let them know that I'm still alive when I'm on this flight. And whoever's picking me up from the airport, I gotta let them know too, like, I'm almost here, I'm about to land, whatever. So these are essentials for trips. And I take all my pictures on my phone now, if you guys are wondering. So of course I can't leave home without it. So yes, these are my essentials. This is the speedy charger from Apple. That's the only one I use for my phone. And I have the iPhone 13, not the 13, well, yeah, the regular 13, not the Pro. And listen, I love this one better than the Pro because I think the camera's better in my opinion, but I'll leave that up to you guys to decide. Next up, I have my iPad, which I think is dead right now because I actually just came back from a trip. So I carry my iPad for the most part. Sometimes it depends on the workload that I have while I'm away because I still work while I'm away. But if I have like light workloads, I take my iPad with me. But if not, I take my laptop. But typically I keep my laptop in another bag. But my iPad, I play games on here. I read books on here. I browse the internet if I have great Wi-Fi service on the plane, and I can't leave home without it. So that's definitely a must-have in my bag as well when traveling. If you guys don't have an iPad, I don't know what y'all doing because an iPad just makes me feel really like productive, professional, like I got my life together. So get you an iPad, girl. So of course I have to travel with my box light because this is how I get all my pictures when I'm traveling. The lighting is super important for me. If the lighting is not good, the picture is not good. That's just what I live by. So this is my box light. It gets super bright. I mean, I'm sitting in natural lighting right now, so you guys aren't really gonna see much of a difference, but I love this light. And if you guys don't have a light for your pictures, make sure you guys check out my description box. I'll have this link for you below because girl, you need this. So of course it's not a flight without your AirPods. So I carry my AirPods on every flight. Like if I don't have my AirPods, I'm just irritated because 9 times out of 10 I do not care to watch movies on flights. I do sometimes, like if I can't sleep, but for the most part I'm knocked out on the plane. But the only thing that helps me sleep on a plane is music, because if you guys have ever flown before, the plane is super loud. So music just helps to relax my mind and just get me right into my napping state. And these AirPods are gonna do it every time, honey. These are the regular AirPods. These aren't the newer ones, but they still work like a charm, and they're my fave. Oh, and I also have my tripod for my camera as well. This gets like all the good angles. Even if I don't feel like holding my camera in my hand, I can prop it up somewhere and we gonna be good. So now I'm gonna get into a few of my must-have beauty products when traveling, because girl, after a flight, my skin is always screaming. It's super dry, so let me tell you what I use. So first things first, I need a good moisturizer that I can carry with me. This is the Tote Dewy Skin Cream. After a flight, this feels amazing on my skin. The air on the flight is just horrible, so this helps me so much. So all these products will be linked below. Make sure you guys check out my description box if you guys want to get your hands on any of these products. So this Tasha's cream smells so good. I'm sorry if I'm butchering the name, but you, the girls that get it. And it's super compact. I think this one is about it's only 10 milliliters, so it's definitely appropriate for travel. I also carry my Laneige sleeping mask with me on every flight, because like I said, my lips and my skin are super dry. So after a flight, even during the flight, I need this to keep my skin just hydrated, because I don't know what goes on up there, but I just feel crispy, like crispy, crusty, dry, everything. Like after a flight, the first thing I want to do when I land, honestly, is shower and brush my teeth, which brings me to the next product, which is a must. As soon as I land, girl, I need to brush my teeth. I don't know what it is, but I just need this, okay? So I have my travel toothbrush and my travel toothpaste. I don't even really use Colgate, but this came with the toothbrush, so it was actually just in my bag when I came back from being out of the country this weekend, because I was actually in Toronto, by the way. I should have started off the conversation like this, but here you guys go. Definitely need to have a travel toothbrush and a little mini toothpaste, so when you get off that flight, if you flying in to see a sneaky link, your breath gonna be fresh, you're gonna be good, ready. Trust me, girl, trust me. Of course, I have to have some hand sanitizer, because listen, COVID is still in the air. I just got this one from my local drugstore and it works perfectly, and I can take it with me. It's 2 fluid ounces. Make sure you guys know when you fly, you cannot take anything above 3 ounces. So this works perfectly for me. Let me put some more right now, because you know, it's really dirty out here. Also bring my Murad eye cream as well, because the Tasha is great, but under my eyes sometimes if I'm sleeping and my eyes get a little dark, so I put on my Murad eye cream and I get it right, and I'm looking brand new, okay? Of course, I need to have a hand cream, and I'm loving this Byredo hand cream right now. I actually got this one recently from one of my hotels, and I've been loving it. So you have to also always have one of your hand creams. You can't be getting off a flight looking ashy, girl. So make sure you have a hand cream. This one smells so good. Amazing, okay? Amazing. Of course, I also travel with my makeup wipes, because sometimes when I'm getting on a flight, I have makeup on from like the night before, depending on the rush. So if I want to get my makeup off real quick, go put on these makeup wipes and get myself together, take off my makeup, because sometimes I don't like having the mask on with my makeup, so I definitely just always need to have these on demand 24/7, because sometimes I can't get on my flights after the club and I just be a whole hot mess, okay? Last item that I carry with me is whatever perfume that I'm loving at the moment, because like I told you guys, if you're flying in to see your boo, you gotta be, you know, smell like that girl. This is the Vanilla Wood 7 Virtues perfume. I have been loving this perfume, and I'll have it linked below for you guys, because I just gotta spray some more. It smells so good. And like I told you, it's not gonna smell like you came off a flight. It's gonna smell like you came out the shower. So make sure you guys have all these products in your bag when traveling. These are just a few of my must-haves. It's not everything that I carry, but for the most part, these are my must-have needs for travel. And like I said, this is what I just carry in my handheld carry-on. I don't want you guys thinking this is everything I carry. No, this is just what I carry with me on the plane when I sit in my seat, and if I need to grab something real quick, or if I gotta go to the bathroom, anything like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos just like these, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.